What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse.
Delivery!
Yeah! I know what we're doing today. Checking out some Amazon fun finds. Most of them are around $9.99. At the top, you can see the store name or the seller. This one was $9.99, and we get 4 outfits with 4 bottoms and 4 tops. In this set, we're getting a white top. It feels pretty thin, but it's not too bad, and it looks like it ties in the front. And we got a pair of printed jeans. Since it's mermaid, let's use our mermaids as models. I can't get the printed jeans on the athletic Brooklyn body. The printed jeans fit a classic Barbie. The top that ties in the front can fit a curvy. However, we need to iron it to make sure it lays properly. We get the same shirt in a black and white animal print, but without a little assistance, there might be a draft. We're getting similar results on a classic Barbie, and we can pull the ties around to the back and tie it in the back for another way to wear the shirt. We get a long denim skirt with a slit in the front that we've seen with other fashion packs. We paired it with a one-shoulder top that ties on the shoulder. However, it sticks out a little bit, so I'll probably use a needle and thread later and get rid of the tie. But this outfit fits a curvy. The fabric pulls a little in the back, but it's not too bad. We get another skirt in a darker blue. This skirt is a good fit for a classic Barbie. We also get a short denim skirt with a high split in the front. This is a nice piece to add to a collection. It's simple and it fits. I have it on the athletic made-to-move body, and it was no problem to get on. And we get another off-the-shoulder top. I really want to remove this little tie here. Let's see. Is it easy to remove, or are we going to need to do some sewing? Wait a minute. Oh, wow. No sewing required. Now we have a strip of fabric that we could turn into like a headband or something. I removed it from the other top too. I saw this set on Amazon for $9.99. It looks like we're going to get some repeat tops, but I love these, and they're in colors I don't currently have. I also grabbed this one at $9.99, giving us 4 outfits with jeans and tops. This Amazon store does like to repeat a lot of the items and repackage them and then just add like one new thing, like this burgundy top with the 4 outfits. Or this baby blue top with the 6 shirt set. So if you're trying to get a shirt in all of its different colors, you might end up with a few repeats. In the 6 shirt set, we get the blue flower top again, the pink and green shirt, and we also get a colorful orange shirt where we can remove the tie. These tops fit curvy and classic Barbies. I think the Velcro is a little thick, and with the doubles, we could probably use them to make swimwear for the dolls. I like these little tops. We get one in blush, tan. However, the gather in the center is not always consistent. And here is a soft pale blue. The fabric is soft and stretchy. However, it does snag easily from the Velcro. In the fashion pack that comes with 4 outfits, we're paying about $2.50 per outfit. We get a repeat skirt, repeat top. These tops do fit a curvy, however this one is missing a small stitch at the shoulder. We get the tan top again, and since we have doubles, I wonder what it would look like if we remove the stitching in the center. Oh, like that. It's actually a pretty nice basic shirt, so that is totally what I'm doing with my doubles. So they're not doubles anymore. We get a cream top with a large collar that fits a curvy. It comes in burgundy as well. It fits the athletic body and a classic. Let's see how these outfits look on a doll with a natural hair color. Wow, that's kind of pretty. And not bad for a $2.50 outfit. Although I do need to fix that shoulder. And we ended up with a few repeats. But we can get crafty and shorten the skirt. I'm just going to mark where I want the new length to be. If there's enough seam allowance in the back, I use my seam ripper to open it up. Sometimes there's almost no seam allowance. That's why I said that. Once it's open and I can lay it flat, I fold on the line, iron it, then sew a straight line To hem it, carefully trim off the excess to make a mini skirt. Let's take the leftover fabric. I top stitch the slit closed, take the pattern from our DIY spring fashion video, and make a top. But let's sew a little V in the center, trying to get it on that center line. I think I missed it a little. Let's make a small cut, flip it inside out so all the threads and loose edges are on the inside. Add Velcro or snaps to the back. Using a needle and thread, I hand stitch on a few details to turn one of the long skirts into a denim outfit with a top and mini skirt. And we can totally do this to our other doubles to expand our wardrobe. I did the top a little different this time for some variety. This fashion pack also comes with some jeans that we can mix and match with our new tops. The jeans are pretty basic and fit a classic Barbie best. And we got one pair of dark denim jeans that fit kind of loose on a classic, kind of a relaxed fit, but are a little too snug on a curvy. I bought this fashion pack with 3 outfits for $9.99. I wasn't sure about this dress, and now that I see it, it has these large pearls glued to the front and little bows. I can get the dress on a curvy. It just has a lot going on for me. There are lots of loose strings, so this is probably something I would come back to later. It also comes with earrings, a doll bracelet in silver, and a necklace. I honestly got this fashion pack for the other 2 outfits, so let's check them out. One outfit has a top and shorts. The top is 3 gathered tubes. It's pretty simple, but works. We might need to go over some of the stitching on the shorts. They're a little loose on my classic Barbie. They almost fit a curvy, but I can't close them all the way in the back. We also get black strappy shoes, which are an okay fit, a silver colored necklace, and a small pink heart purse. Here it is with the doll. I like the top, and I just paired it with one of the denim skirts that we just shortened. We get the same top in a different color, but this time with jeans. Again, with the jeans, I'm seeing a few issues with the stitching. The bottom hem is off, and there is a hole on one of the pant legs. Here's the outfit on a classic Barbie. I think the look has some potential, but the jeans might need a little work. We get pink heels and the same necklace and purse. I did a little shopping for our buff Ken and picked up these jeans for $10.99. These are the jeans that I dress all of my buff Kens in. They're made for 1/6 scale action figures. They use Velcro in the front, have belt loops and pockets, more belt loops on the back and back pockets, and they come with a small belt. I would love for Barbie to create some basics like this at a similar price point. Honestly, a $10 fashion pack with jeans and a belt? I would be okay with that. I picked up this pack of shirts on Amazon for $14.99. So that's about $7.50 a shirt. They look pretty large, but they have a nice neckline, a little stretch, no opening in the back. But there wasn't a lot of stretch at the neck. I had to use a plastic bag to avoid messing up the hair. This shirt is a little large, and this is a buff Ken. But I don't mind it. He looks comfortable, I like the colors, and we can tuck the shirt in. So you'll probably see most of my buff Kens in a similar outfit. I saw this collection of cats and dogs. It has a hairless cat. When I bought it, the price was $9.99. Now it has a current price of $12.99. They're all in the bag together, so as we've seen before, sometimes the colors transfer. And scale might be an issue. We have 6 dogs and 6 cats. Most of the dogs seem a little under scale. Here's dog 1, dog 2, dog 3, dog 4, I think is a pug. The paint is a little off. It looks like it's melting, but pugs are smaller dogs, so you might be able to get away with it. Pup 5, still small, but could possibly be a lap dog, but dog 6 works. I think it's a Chihuahua. And the paint isn't too bad. Well, it is off, but you could probably repaint it. Most of the cats seem like an okay size. However, this one's a little small and super glossy. Not in love with the paint job, so we're going to put that one aside. Our hairless cat needs the eyes repainted, and some paint from the other animals has transferred onto it. But it's kind of cute, like the shape of it, and I think we can totally use it in the dollhouse. Cat 3 might need a little touch up on the paint, but I think the size also works. Cat 4 has a playful little pose, just gotta touch up the paint. Again, Cat 5 is a great size, but again, the eyes, but it's a nice sculpt. And Cat 6, I think, is kind of cute. It looks like it's stretching. The paint isn't too bad, but a touch-up wouldn't hurt. Answering a few questions. Is this Barbie Looks doll a different skin tone from the athletic Brooklyn? Here's the Brooklyn arm next to the Barbie Looks arm, and I'm gonna say yes, the Brooklyn arm looks a little warmer than the new Barbie Looks. Here's the blue tie-dye Made to Move Barbie next to the Barbie Looks doll, and yes, it's a different skin tone. Where can I find more pleated skirts for tennis court? I would check Amazon. I found a couple there. This set has 4 outfits. One of them is a white skirt, and it was $9.99. Here is a set where you get 6 skirts for $9.99, but I'm not sure if that white one is actually pleated or just kind of gathered. I bought the school uniform set. They are pleated all the way around, and they open up in the back. I'm a tiny bit concerned that the black might stain, but I'm always scared about that. However, I was able to get it on a curvy. However, you might want to make sure she wears some undergarments because it sits a little high on the waist and a little short in the back. My favorite finds for the day, I would have to say, are the looks for the guys, followed by our denim collection that just kinda happened. Turning the skirts into outfits was a fun way to get some inexpensive doll looks and give some wardrobe doubles a new life. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!